I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test question for you on rounding numbers. The question is, explain when will a number increase or when will it decrease on rounding to the nearest hundreds, right? So you need to explain the condition when a number increases on rounding to nearest hundreds or the number decreases when you round it to nearest hundreds. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let me take few examples to explain this. We are saying that numbers increase or decrease when we round to near 100. Let's take few examples. 532, 12, 65, 13, 20. Okay, these are few numbers. Let me add few more. Let's say 1700. Okay, let's see what happens when we round these numbers to nearest 100. When you round to nearest hundreds, you check which position. You're rounding to hundreds, right? So 700, you check tens position. So you need to check tens position. So these are the numbers which you need to check. If this number is 5 or more, you round higher. If this number is lower, you round lower, correct? So after rounding, what should you get? 532. After rounding to nearest hundreds, this number is lower, so it rounds to lower number 500, not 600. In this case, this is higher than 5 or more, right? So it rounds higher to, this becomes plus 1, 1300. Lower, so we just make it 0. It becomes 1300 also, lower than this number. But when this number is 0, what do you get? This is already rounded to 700. So 1700, 1700. Do you see that? So that helps you to decide when will a number increase or when will the number decrease when you round your numbers to nearest hundreds. I hope now you can write down the answer, right? So when the number in tens place is 5 or more, the number increases after rounding to hundreds. Is that okay? After rounding to hundreds, right? When will it decrease? If the number in tens place, let me write tens place like this, is 1, 2, 3 or 4, the number decreases, right? And the last condition is if 0 is in tens and ones place, then number remains same, right? So I could include 0 here also, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, the number may decrease after rounding to hundreds. Is that okay? After rounding to hundreds, right? So because the number remains same if both these places are 0, right? If I have a number, let us say 2507, right? In this case, there could be a different case, right? This becomes 2500. The number decreased. Do you see that? So if 0 is only in tens place, not in ones place, the number still decreases. That's why I added 0 here. So what is important to note here is that the number increases if in tens place we have 5 or more, that means 50, 60, 70, something like this, right? Then the number increases when you're rounding to hundreds. Otherwise, it decreases. And there is one special case that if we have zeros in both ones and tens place, in that case, number may remain same. It doesn't change, right? So that is how you could actually answer this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.